How many do you want to get, Hiro? All right, as you guys saw earlier, we at Food Town bought these beautiful crawfish, and Hiro's going to make two different recipes. The preparation is going to be pretty much the same thing for both. Hiro-san, what are you making today?
I'm going to make it two different dish, right? You know what it is mean, right? Crawfish.
Scissors.
Crawfish.
Crawfish, okay.
So
All right.
first things I'm gonna boil in crawfish.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going to do right now.
All right, you got the water
So
here already?
Water here.
Okay.
And the maybe I'm gonna couple slices of lemons. So you don't need to cut too nice.
Yeah.
Just throw in these things inside,
Okay.
and then some salt inside.
All right.
Okay. Then just throw in. Anyway, by the way, I washed this one many times already.
Okay.
Right. So
Yeah,
I
you gotta
just
wash
let
it.
you know,
That's
guys.
true.
I'm not straight from the market. Okay. I
Okay.
just wash it and just straight into the boiling water.
Okay. Let's do it, Hiro.
Okay. Yeah. After 8 minutes, crawfish is ready. So picking up. After boil, so next one I'm gonna take off the head to separate the head and tail. Good, just like that. I'm gonna keep the head and the tail like that. Okay, so first recipe I'm going to start to make crawfish ramen. So this is a head parts I'm going to use for the soup stock. Tail meat I'm gonna peeling off, then I'm gonna saute with another vegetables. Okay, so another ingredient is bean sprouts, onions, green onion, ginger, garlic, and this is going to be the option: ichimi togarashi and rayu, and boiling eggs right here. Of course, some people like a more like a soft one, which we call onsen tamago. That's another best one. So another time I'm going to make it. Sesame, mirin, fish sauce, soy sauce, and miso, and dashi kombu, and ramen noodle for this one today. So first I'm going to make start a soup stock.
Okay.
So here's already ichiban dashi right
Okay.
and here. Next one I'm gonna do some onions. This one you don't need to cut to not too nice, just like that. With the dashi kombu, throw in the dashi kombu, and then onion and some green onions. This is basically when you do the soup stock, if there's something you can see the whatever leftover stuff or something from the your refrigerator.
Okay.
Okay, so this one that. Just throw into. Next one is ginger. Just cut it like that. If you wash them very well, you don't need to peel off too.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just doing the peel off right now, but you don't need to do. And this one also just cut into roughly, just like that. Just throw into, and some garlic too. Just put it in.
Okay.
This one, the head. I think this one is maybe a little bit broken like that. It's more easier to come juice out.
The flavor, right?
Yeah. Yeah, just like
That's
that.
a lot of heads.
Yeah. Okay, so now peeling off this one. Baby lobster. I'm not so professional for this
For
one.
peeling these?
Yeah, peeling this one. Some people very professional, you know.
Oh yeah.
Just like that.
Oh yeah. Nice. Do you take out the intestine?
For this one?
Yeah, yeah.
No, not really.
Not really? Okay.
No. I think the people after boiling and eating, they don't care, right?
Yeah, they don't care, right?
They
Doesn't
just
matter.
eat it, right? Yeah, this one for the stir fry with crawfish. Okay, boiling process is finished. So now I'm gonna do strain out. Today's I'm gonna do more like a miso style. So first I'm gonna put the transfer this soup to the pot. Then I'm gonna do little by little mix miso into here.
This is just white miso here?
This is the white miso.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit of mirin. And just a little bit of soy sauce too. Check the taste. Good. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. Great. Okay, next step, start cooking noodle. If you serve the hot stuff, the donburi also should keep it in the hot.
Okay, nice.
Okay, put the noodle here, switch into the wok. Oil. Oil first, and garlic, and ginger. Okay, then onion and green onion. Bean sprouts. Little salt and pepper. the butter. Crawfish. Mirin. Soy sauce. And fish sauce. Then little bit of ichimi togarashi, making little thick. That's it. Okay, then stuff. And this is also this is all the juice. Okay, nice and syrup. Okay, then I'm gonna add the egg. Of course, this one's a little bit harder boiled, but insides are still a little bit soft. Your side. 2 and sesame seeds.
Wow, what a dish! What a ramen dish!
And then this one. It's a we call rayu, spicy sesame oil. It's all around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can imagine what this tastes like. So many flavors going on. So
Okay.
complicated to make.
That's it.
Hiro.
Very simple.
I think this is very. This is not simple. Let's be honest. This is not a simple dish to make. So many steps. And there you have it. But if you want the ultimate ramen dish, this is what you got to do. Well, here, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Guys, like this video, give it a like, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you very, very soon. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right, Hiro-san, to the tasting part. Enjoy.
Yes. Okay. So I take some of course vegetables.
Yeah.
And some noodles. Crawfish. Okay, and then soup.
And an egg, too. Half an egg.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Enjoy it.
Mm. Mm. Good.
Good.
Tasty. Spicy a little bit. Mm.
All right, let me try to get some.
Okay,
thank you.
Did for you.
So yeah, normally ramen to me is like, you don't put stir-fried stuff in it. I would just whatever soup base and cook everything together, right?
Mm.
That's just the basic. What do you call it in style, Hiro? You make everything in one pot, like you were saying earlier?
We have a like a champon style.
Champon style. What does that mean? Like one?
Yeah, more like a soup and all those stuff.
Everything together, right?
Everything cooked in the wok or
right. I would never think of, stir frying and putting it on top of the ramen, on top of the soup. It's just like
okay, more like that.
very different. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it. Let's see, baby crawfish tails. Very tender, extremely tender. Of course, it tastes like a lobster.
Tastes like a lobster.
I'm really interested in this ramen. Let me try. Wow, the flavors. Not like your instant ramen dish at all. The flavors are extremely deep. I love the green onions in there. Gives it a really nice taste. Just had some with my ramen. This is a wonderful dish. Not easy to make. A lot of different steps that are involved. From preparing the crawfish to stir fry to boiling the noodles to making the soup stock. A lot of work. But let me tell you, just look at the garlics in there. You got the ramen, the scallion.
Well, if I give you advice for in the house, how you cook more easier. So, of course, I made a soup stock with the crawfish hen and everything, right?
Yeah.
for the house, for quick dish, you just use the normal instant noodle soup too, right? The only thing what you need to do is a crawfish and a vegetable and a stir fry.
Okay.
And just put over the instant noodle.
Right. But this soup, Hiro,
still better.
This soup is amazing. let me just drink some.
Miso soup, seafood miso soup.
Wow.
Not bad, right?
That is delicious. Like you said, there's a little bit of a kick in there from the spicy hot oil, the layo. But the miso added to the crawfish.
Because of crawfish.
Wow. Crawfish gives it a
The
really great flavor.
Cajun crawfish is a really spicy, right?
Exactly. You guys are into ramen? Please try this dish at home. Honestly, delicious. One of the best. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
See you.
皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. In the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.